Hello and welcome to the Mike Less Farmhand Mike YouTube channel, bringing you some of the biggest and best variety and definitely the most versatile farming content on social media today. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Farmhand Mike. Hey everyone, welcome back for another video that I shot this spring. In this video, I am out near Wooster, Ohio with a Steiger Puma 1000 tractor pulling a 16-row Kinze Planter, a model 2600. On the afternoon that I was out here, this farmer was planting corn in two different fields. So first up, he is in a field that was plowed and worked. And then later on in the video, we're going to go to another field where he was no-till planting the corn into that field. Now, if you notice, this planter does have fertilizer tanks on it, but there's no fertilizer coolers. He just got this thing and he's working on it yet, and he will have a fertilizer set up on it for next year. Right now, they were just broadcasting on the fertilizer ahead of the planting. And this tractor is not one I come across very often. The Steiger Puma 1000 was built at the Steiger plant in Fargo, North Dakota from 1983 to 1986. These tractors were rated at 190 engine horsepower. These were powered with a CDC 8.3 liter or 505 cubic inch turbocharged 6-cylinder diesel engine. Now, I'm told the CDC engine is basically a Cummins engine, but at some point there was some kind of a joint venture between International and Cummins. I don't know the whole story. I might be right, I might be wrong. It's just what I've been told, and somebody may know more about that than I do. Feel free to comment below. These tractors also had a 12-speed full power shift transmission in them, which I believe was the twin disc with 12 forward and 2 reverse speeds. This tractor would have shipped around 17,000 pounds. Of course, you could get this tractor with a 3-point hitch, PTO. You could ballast it up to a total of 24,000 pounds. You could get these tractors with 2 to 4 hydraulic remotes, and this tractor was capable of putting out a total flow of 27 gallons per minute. And I hope to get back here some other times to get this tractor in some other videos. He does pull a grain cart with this tractor. He also does some moldboard plowing with it. Also, I got a little bonus footage while I was out here filming this video. In the back there, way in the distance, does anybody see a Koss tractor and a Koss large square baler? Well, when I got out here, I had no idea that they were going to be baling hay in the field right next to this guy. So this worked out perfect, got permission. So I will have a future video coming of a Fendt 939 tractor pulling a Koss model 5300 big square baler. I love when these opportunities work out, when you come out to film one piece of equipment or one farm and there's something going on that close that you don't even have to move your truck or travel or anything. And that's going to bring this video to an end. If you did like this video, please go down there and hit that like button. Feel free to comment below. If you're new to my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate it if you'd go down there and hit subscribe and check back often. There is always lots of new and exciting farming content coming to my YouTube channel. And if you want to see more of what I'm doing, you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching and supporting my social media.